cut that video, man.
Video now, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, bless up, man. Stereophonic land, this, you know. Yeah, the land I'm not tell about. Yeah. Land. I old man that now. Okay. Yeah, Big John. Big John there. Real dad, man. Yeah, film land, you know. Time you would control it now. You know? Yeah, man, the man. Yeah. See? International land. Yeah. I also broke out. I mean, in the 70s, the 80s, and them, you know. Yeah, man, land are nice, man. So the car where the man them dead now. Yeah, the car. Car, this is the man them dead now, you know. Yeah. Car, this is them dead now, you know. Still there, same way. When I dash it away, I'm mad. They are same way, you know. Yeah, man. See him son, yeah, Rocky. Yeah, see him son, yeah, Rocky. I'm son there. Yeah, man. Film land, you know. Yeah, man. Land. So it's big. Yeah, Rasta. Highly blessed. Yeah, man, I land this. Bionic still that. Land are big and nice, man. Original land, you know. Look at grocery shop there and thing. Land are big. Yeah, Stereophonic land. Big. Yeah. Original land from the east to the west. Yeah, man, a nice land, man. Clean land and thing, cause the man keep them land clean, you know. The man keep them land clean. Clean and pretty. You know. The man land are clean. Clean. Yeah, man. Yeah, the car that them dead now, you know. Yeah. Man, keep them land. Man, keep them land clean. Clean land, you know. Stereophonic land. Yeah, it's a stage. Yeah. Stage. It's a Rasta virgin there. Rastafari. You see the sound, yeah. But him say him not eye out him sound still. Man love him sound. But I get a sound still. No sound I get. See? Yeah, my land big, man. Yeah, man. Land big. Big land, man. Yeah, I'm father this, you know. I chop out. The boy them kill, you know. My Flux and General Echo, you know. Papa tree them kill them. Post all police boy them, you know. Kill all the man them, you know. And the man are there, you know, right, and everything that nice, you know, the sound all that, you know, see it. You know. But there, man. So I build the land, make it to the land. Yeah. Same say, I'll give him a date and tell him and link him back and know all gone. My big entertainer too, you know. Yeah, man, rock him name, my big entertainer. See him look a place, a bar. Yeah. Settings nice, don't you, man? Nice. And a real youth, you know. Humble youth. Yeah, man, them youth are humble youth, you know. Humble youth. Lord, a nice one. Nice, the Lord. Alright, bless up. Yeah, okay.